It's magnificent. Look at the scale.
The detail on the crown is incredible even after all this time.
We're getting a clear reading on the LiDAR. The erosion is minimal.
Make sure the foam covers the entire edge here.
All right, I've got the strap secured. Tension feels good.
Okay, Sky Crane, easy pressure. We have alignment on the east cable.
Confirmed. Tension holding steady at 50 kilonewtons.
Tension levels look good.
Roger that. Ground. Coming up.
The patina suggests late 15th century Florentine.
Yes, look at the microfracturing here near the signature.
The craquelure on the mantle is extensive here.
Yes, the red areas indicate deep structural issues.
The craquelure on the mantle is extensive here.
Yes, the red areas indicate deep structural issues.
It's perfect, absolutely flawless.
The texture work is incredible. We can authorize completion.
Look at this graph. The temperature is still fluctuating right here.
Yes, I'm making a note to increase the climate control sensitivity immediately.
The decay around the elbow joint is significant.
The mapping confirms significant stress. Depth 0.5 millimeters at stress point 42.
As you can see on the 3D render, the chisel work here matches the archived scans.
Yes, the depth of these folds is remarkable given the tools they had.
The distribution looks stable, but this reading here is slightly elevated.
Yes, that's where the reinforcement is focused.
The surface polish on the drapery is excellent. We definitely avoided any overclean. Yes, the brightness feels
The cool light really emphasizes the texture on the drapery.
Yes, but the warm light feels more appropriate for the subject.
The crown work here is fascinating, clearly late Gothic.
And the posture of the child emphasizes the regal symbolism they intended.
All points signed off. The surface quality is excellent.
Agreed. Final validation confirmed.
The consolidation in this section is holding up well.
Yes, the fibers are completely stable now.
Notice the intricate carving in the drapery here. It's truly masterful work.
It is, and the use of the gilding emphasizes the sacred nature. The patina here is remarkable. Look at the crystallization.
Yes, the scanner is picking up significant detail on the sleeve.
The patina here is remarkable. Look at the crystallization.
Yes, the scanner is picking up significant detail on the sleeve.
The tensile strength readings on the tablet are lower than expected around the ankle.
That explains the stress accumulation here at the base.
The laser mapping shows significant curvature variations on the robe folds.
Yes, the data confirms the original chisel work is highly intricate here. The reading is still too high. Okay, I'll lower the intensity on the left side.
The humidity balance is calibrated.
Confirmed. The stone surface is stable and luminous.
You tighten the laser aperture around the hairline.
Adjusting the focal depth now.
Bring the hydraulics up slowly. Monitor the stability readings closely.
Look at how her mantle completely envelops him here. It's a clear depiction of sanctuary.
Yes, and the iconography in this manuscript supports that interpretation.
The particulate count is stable at 0.002.
Confirmed. The laminar flow seems optimal.
The localized stress near the halo peaked at 500 Kelvin, but the expansion remains within tolerance.
Confirmed.
The integration of the Byzantine style here is remarkable, particularly the drapery.
And the patina suggests continuous.
The certification is complete. The surface analysis is optimal.
Excellent work. The results speak for themselves.
If we adjust the spotlight here, the shadow on the drapery deepens.
Yes, that enhances the depth significantly. Let's log that angle.
The resonance frequency is holding steady.
No unexpected spikes. The structural integrity is fully preserved.
The ethical guidelines are clear. We must prioritize the statue's authenticity over extensive restoration. The micro...
All systems are green across the board.
Excellent. The environment is perfectly stable.
Stability confirmed on the base.
All systems green. The statue is flawless.
This colossal statue of the Virgin Mary and baby Jesus dominates the landscape.
The approval is finalized, Dr. Ramirez.
Excellent work, Dr. Chen. It's secure now.
Look at the way the light catches the stone veins here.
Beautiful. The centuries of history are still so clear.
Look at the humidity readout here.
Perfect. Everything is well within the parameters for eternal preservation.
The scan confirms the baseline. No alterations detected.
Layers are stable. Ethical restoration is complete.
The emotional weight here is incredible. It really draws you in.
And the detail on the drapery is simply unmatched.
Yarula Costerium Nave, Tangi Ramila Jagaramondi Imezida, Airbunita Tesanti Batichare, Blanc.